Hello and welcome back to the ABCs of Real Estate. I'm Sarah Taylor. We are on to the letter T, and today I'd like to briefly discuss title companies. You know, title companies and escrow companies go hand in hand. I'm to understand many states have those companies separately, but here in Northern Arizona, it's often a one-stop shop. You'll have your title officer and escrow officer all in the same business, and so that streamlines everything for you. So during the process of buying or selling a home, you'll agree upon a price between two parties, and then once a contract has come to acceptance, we will reach out to a title and escrow company to begin the process. They manage the money aspect of things as far as keeping track of your earnest deposit until closing and making sure everything goes smoothly with your lender if you're using financing, or working with your bank to wire funds if it's a cash purchase. So they're tracking all the financials for you, but also let's talk a little bit more about the title officer. They will be not only checking title to make sure that the owner is actually, the seller is actually the owner of record. They'll be looking to see if there's any liens or judgments against the property. They'll also be offering title insurance. There's two different types of title insurance. There's the owner's policy, which will be for the buyer, and there's also the lender's policy, which will be for the mortgage. And those are really important insurance policies to safeguard against any problems that might arise with your ownership of the property. If you have any additional questions about title or escrow, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to talk with you about it. My direct number, 928-607-3015.